Hello everyone, I'm going to do a review about this Audi RS6-R, and it's an ABT version or ABT version. I have no idea what the brand is. I don't see any brand name on the package, so it's a non-licensed product, but that doesn't mean it's not okay. Here we see the bottom of the package, 164. And we already see that it comes in a display case. That's very nice. Nice picture of the RS6-R here on the back. Now let's open it up. Yep, here we can see display case. So it's protected from dust. Okay, there we go. I have no idea what to expect. This is totally new for me, but it looks very good on photos. So I thought, let's give it a try. And well, why not take it from the base? One screw. I was prepared for that. And there we go. So you can choose different colors. I choose for the green one. And I try to roll the wheels, but that is not possible. Front wheels will roll a little bit. Oh, what very nice. The brake claw is not rotating with the wheel, so that's a good thing. And it's a nice red color. I like that. And do we have details on the brake disc? No, I can't see them. Can't see it. Okay, so here we have the back. Nice exhaust system, lanced headlights. We got heating in the rear window. That's very realistic. A spoiler, antenna on top. And on the license plate it says ABT. And here, I think it's difficult to see, but here is also ABT on the back of the car. So here we got the side. I like the detail here, and this right here, that it comes in black. Here for the gas, I think you need that a lot with this car. Windscreen wipers are plastic laying on the window. Cannot move them, but it's not molded with the glass. We can have a little bit a peek inside the car on the dashboard, and it looks very realistic and well detailed, as we can see right here. Now it's a little bit difficult to look inside here from the side, but maybe I can zoom in on the steering wheel, because okay, try to hold it steady, because we see a lot of details. We see the Audi logo on the steering wheel, and on the mid console, not sure if I'm saying that right, in the middle of the dashboard, you can also see a lot of details. Can we see that from the other side? A little bit, not that much. We even see an orange stripe on the dashboard, so a lot of details on the dashboard. I like that. Good interior. Seats also good, realistic. Yeah, this is a very good looking car. Oh, I have to zoom out a little bit. There we go. Whoop. And now we go to the base, and we see a plastic base. Now I was expecting a metal base, but unfortunately it's not the case. Normal screws here on the bottom. We do have some details here on the base, so that's cool. And of course rubber tires with profile. I think that's very important. Good profile. So overall, it's a very nice looking car. What did I pay? Oh, by the way, we also have lens headlights here on the front and a nice grille. Almost forgot that. And here you can see also the orange stripe. So I paid around €25 for this model. Yeah, that it is a lot, and I think they have become even more expensive now. Now let's compare it with the one from Mini GT. And you want to know if it rolls? Well, like I said, no, it doesn't roll. Okay, here is the one from Mini GT. Already showed you this one in another video. So here it is, nice with the ski box on top. We also got lanced headlights in the front, nice grille. I like the winter camouflage, I like that. Nice rims, no brake claws. But we do see a disc. Very nice back, also lanced headlights. Love the exhaust pipes. Yeah, it looks really good. No heating in the rear window. We do so see a windscreen wiper. This one doesn't have a windscreen wiper. Oh yeah, it does. It does. Remember, the green one is an ABT version or an ABT version. So it got a different exhaust and some different spoilers. But you see, they're pretty much in the white. It's pretty much the same. I think the green one is a little bit wider, but that's also supposed to be like that. Okay, let's take a look at the front. This one has a metal base. Much better, much better. And you expect from an expensive car like the green one, you're expecting a metal base. And Mini GT is licensed. So you get a lot more car for your money. Okay. You have them both next together and you see the scale is pretty accurate. Do like the rims a little bit more from the green one. Yeah, black rims, dude, I like black rims, but also the shape. Yeah, very nice. But if I have to choose one, I go for the Mini GT, and then I definitely look at price and what you get. But I'm also really satisfied with this one. What a beauty. I also have another one. This one comes with a ski box, different model. Also Audi RS6, but from another year. This one is from Xcartoys, also very good. I've showed you this one before. This one comes also in different colors. I have 3 of them. I have one with blue camo and the other side is black. And I have a chromed one. These are really good. You get a lot of car for your money. Like this, the detail here on the base and the wheels. Also heating in the back window, lanced rear and front lights. Yes, a very cool car. And I can compare it with this, but like I said, these are different cars. Yes, it's Audi, yes, it's RS6, but different year. But I'll do it anyway. Yeah, Xcartoys is definitely one of my favorite diecast brands. They have a lot of different models and vehicles. You can find many vehicles from Xcartoys on my YouTube channel. And I also like that they make figures. They bring your diecast to life. A little bit disappointing that this thing is right here. Look, it sticks out. That's weird. See, they should have done the same thing with the exhaust like the one from Xcartoys. Does the one from Mini GT has wider tires on the back? No, no, no. No. You see, the base here is pretty much the same. Interesting, interesting. See, and yeah, of course, this one is different. This is a different Audi. Wake up, dude. Okay, guys, this is it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Tomorrow, I'm going to a diecast event in Belgium. And I'm going to make a video over there, diecast dude style, which means I'm going to film as much as possible. Stay tuned and have a very nice day. Bye.